Hello everyone and welcome back my channel. The 2025 Toyota Celsior makes a highly anticipated return, and it's aiming to redefine luxury sedans in a way that blends Japanese craftsmanship with cutting-edge innovation. Originally introduced as Toyota's flagship sedan and known internationally as the Lexus LS, the Celsior has always stood for refined elegance. The 2025 version continues that legacy with a fresh identity, catering to discerning buyers who seek comfort, performance, and technology in a sleek executive package. While Lexus remains Toyota's luxury arm, the Celsior revives an iconic nameplate with a distinct Japanese design language and new age features. The design of the 2025 Toyota Celsior commands attention with a bold front grille featuring fine horizontal slats accentuated by a satin chrome. Surround the full LED headlamps come with adaptive matrix technology that automatically adjusts beam focus based on road and traffic conditions. The side profile remains clean and elegant with flush door handles, soft character lines, and chrome accents that flow gracefully into the sculpted rear end, where seamless taillights stretch across the width, giving the car a broad and premium stance. Dual exhaust tips and a subtle integrated rear spoiler add a touch of sportiness without compromising its executive appeal. It's a design that communicates quiet confidence and meticulous detail under the hood. The 2025 Celsior is powered by Toyota's new Generation 3.5-liter V6 twin turbocharged engine, delivering around 415 horsepower and 442 lb-ft of torque. This engine is mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission and offers refined acceleration along with smooth gear shifts for added efficiency. Toyota also offers a hybrid version that pairs a 3.5-liter V6 with an electric motor using its multi-stage hybrid system, producing a combined output of around 354 horsepower. This setup ensures impressive fuel economy while maintaining the performance levels expected from a full-size luxury sedan. The hybrid variant also comes with EV mode for short all-electric drive. In city conditions inside the cabin, the 2025 Celsior showcases an environment of calm luxury and intelligent functionality. The dashboard is wrapped in hand-stitched leather with open-pore wood inserts and ambient lighting that adapts to the time of day and driving mode. The centerpiece is a massive 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and Toyota's latest voice assistant AI system. Behind the wheel is a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster offering full customization, including navigation, audio, and vehicle data display. Rear seats are where the Celsior truly excels, offering power, recline ventilation, heating, memory function, and even a massage feature for both rear passengers in higher trims. Rear entertainment screens, powered footrests, and independent climate control turn the back seat into a first-class experience. Toyota's latest version of the Safety Sense suite is standard on the 2025 Celsior. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, road sign recognition, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system for maximum driver assistance. A new addition is proactive driving assist, which uses sensors and mapping data to anticipate road curves and intersections, adjusting throttle and braking inputs preemptively. In high-end variants, night vision assist and a digital rear view mirror offer better visibility in low-light driving conditions. Driver monitoring systems and adaptive headlights add another layer of safety, making the Celsior one of the most secure sedans in its class. Driving the 2025 Toyota Celsior is an experience rooted in balance. The adaptive variable suspension constantly adjusts to road conditions, offering either plush ride comfort or a firmer setup depending on selected drive mode. The car glides over bumps and undulations with a poise that rivals its German counterparts, while remaining surprisingly agile for its size. Road noise and wind intrusion are minimal thanks to active noise cancellation, acoustic glass, and improved insulation, making highway cruising silent and comfortable. Rear-wheel drive is standard, while all-wheel drive is optional, especially in colder markets where traction is essential. The steering is light in city traffic, but firms up at highway speeds, offering confidence and stability. The Celsior sits on a stretched wheelbase platform, offering generous cabin room while maintaining tight handling characteristics despite its size. The trunk space is over 17 cubic feet, and the rear seats can be electronically folded for added flexibility. Buyers can choose between multiple trim levels, including executive and royal variants, each offering different finishes, wheel designs, and cabin features. Customization options range from premium leather upholstery shades to exclusive trim accents, including bamboo, aluminum, and walnut wood, allowing owners to personalize their luxury experience to a great degree. Toyota has also focused on sustainability with the 2025 Celsior by incorporating eco-friendly materials in non-visible areas of the car, such as seat padding and underbody linings in the hybrid model. Regenerative braking, solar absorbing glass, and an EV driving mode help reduce emissions, especially in urban driving environments, making it suitable for cities with strict green regulations. The car also uses recycled aluminum in structural parts and offers an eco-drive coach feature that guides drivers toward more fuel-efficient habits over time. This sustainable direction allows the Celsior to align with global environmental expectations without compromising luxury. Priced competitively, the 2025 Toyota Celsior starts at around $85,000 for the base model and goes up to $120,000 for the fully loaded hybrid executive variant. This places it directly in competition with the BMW 7 Series, Audi A8, and Mercedes S-Class. However, Toyota is banking on its superior reliability, cost of ownership, and unique blend of high-end comfort with Japanese minimalism to carve out its niche. After sales support is expected to be robust, especially in key markets like Japan, Middle East, and select parts of North America and Southeast Asia, where the Celsior name still holds prestige. With the return of the Celsior, Toyota is signaling a renewed focus on flagship sedans that merge performance, technology, and comfort without the pretentiousness often associated with ultra-luxury brands. It's a car that appeals to CEO professionals and mature buyers who value heritage but want modern refinement. The Celsior's attention to detail, both in engineering and craftsmanship, reflects Toyota's global ambition to dominate every segment, including luxury sedans. This is not just a nameplate revival, it's a bold statement that traditional luxury still has a place in a market obsessed with SUV and crossovers. For those seeking an elegant, powerful, and feature-rich sedan with a reputation for long-term reliability and a more serene approach to luxury, the 2025 Toyota Celsior is a worthy consideration. It proves that luxury doesn't always need a loud badge to be relevant, and that Japanese excellence in design and innovation continues to stand tall in a competitive automotive landscape.